Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your laptop meets the essentials: Windows updated, DirectX ready, and your Microsoft account signed in. Open the Xbox app or install Xbox Game Pass. This is the hub for streaming and remote play. Once done, test network status in Windows settings and choose a 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet for stability. Make sure power settings won't throttle performance. Set high performance so the GPU and CPU stay responsive while you continue to the next steps. You now pair your controller to the laptop. Use Bluetooth or plug in via USB-C for the lowest latency, and confirm button mapping in the Xbox Accessories app. Next, on your console, enable Remote Play and set power mode to Instant On so it wakes quickly for streaming. In the Xbox app on the laptop, add your console either by signing in with the same account or entering the console IP. Then choose streaming quality based on your upload bandwidth, balancing resolution and bitrate for a smoother experience. You finish by launching a remote play session or streaming a Game Pass title. Tweak resolution and frame rate for the best trade-off between visuals and smoothness. Make sure to close background apps, update GPU drivers, and set the game's graphics lower if you experience stutter. If problems persist, switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz network, restart your router, and enable quality of service settings for gaming priority. This single troubleshooting step often resolves latency and drops when everything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.